Dust hangs thick in the morning air. Boots crunch, gravel, same old stair. Love's pulled tight, sleeves rolled high. Another day beneath this iron sky. Hear that hum rise low in me. Steel tea, hungry, sharp and keen. Drive shaft's grown. This mill's my blood, this wood my bone. Sweat cuts trails through the pound-stained ground. Each cut precise, each breath in line. Foreman shadow clock ticks slow, but steady hands keep the rhythm flow. That drone climbs higher, bites the ear. Push through the grind, hold nothing back here. Weighing on my shoulders now. They scream loud, but I won't bow. Heart beats time with the drive shaft's grown. This mill's my blood, this wood my home. When the sun dips low and the engines stall, I still hear it calling. Just a job, it's the pulse I know. The only truth is hard ground shows. Sawdust rain on my shoulders now. Blades scream loud, but I stand proud. Heart beats time with the drive shaft's grown. This mill's my blood, this wood my own.